Have you ever stopped to consider how much of your daily life is spent on autopilot? Many of us move through our days in a daze, caught up in a whirlwind of tasks and responsibilities, barely noticing the world around us. We eat our meals while scrolling through our phones, commute to work lost in thoughts about the day ahead, and even spend time with loved ones while our minds are elsewhere. This mindless approach to life can leave us feeling disconnected, stressed, and unfulfilled. But what if we could change that? What if we could truly experience each moment as it unfolds, fully aware and present? This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally. It's about waking up out of autopilot and becoming an active participant in your life. The benefits of mindfulness are vast and well-researched. It's been shown to reduce stress by helping us become aware of our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. It can improve our mental health by reducing anxiety and depression and fostering a sense of well-being. It can even enhance our physical health by boosting our immune system and helping to manage chronic pain. But perhaps the most profound benefit of mindfulness is the way it can improve the overall quality of our lives. When we're mindful, we're not just going through the motions. We're fully engaged in each moment, savoring the tastes, smells, sounds, and sensations that make up our existence. We're more connected to ourselves, to others, and to the world around us. It's not always easy to be mindful. It takes practice and patience. But the rewards are worth it. Just imagine how much more fulfilling each day could be if you were fully present and engaged in each moment. Mindfulness is not just a tool for managing stress or improving mental health. It's a way of living that can transform your life in profound and meaningful ways. And that's what we're going to explore in this video series. So stay tuned and let's embark on this journey of mindfulness together. Just imagine how much more fulfilling each day could be if you were fully present and engaged in each moment. Mindfulness meditation is a practical way to cultivate mindfulness in your daily life. So what exactly is mindfulness meditation? Well, at its core, it's a practice that invites us to focus our attention on the breath, a word, or a phrase. This focus serves as an anchor, helping us to remain present in the moment, rather than getting swept away by the currents of past regrets or future anxieties. Now, it's essential to clarify a common misconception here. Mindfulness meditation is not about emptying the mind. That would be like asking the ocean to stop its waves. It's simply not possible, nor is it what we're aiming for. Instead, mindfulness meditation encourages us to notice our thoughts and feelings as they arise without judgment. Think of it as becoming an observer of your own mind, acknowledging your thoughts and emotions, but not getting entangled in them. Imagine yourself sitting by a river, watching leaves float by. Each leaf represents a thought, feeling, or sensation. Instead of jumping in to grab each leaf, you sit back and observe them as they float past. That's mindfulness meditation in a nutshell. But what's the point, you might ask? Well, mindfulness meditation helps us to develop an inner calm and clarity, allowing us to respond to life's ups and downs with greater equanimity. It's like developing a mental muscle, one that helps us stay centered amidst the chaos of our everyday lives. And there's no need to meditate for hours on end to reap the benefits. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. The key is consistency. One final point to remember, mindfulness meditation is not about achieving a certain state of mind or experiencing blissful feelings. It's not a competition or a race to enlightenment. It's about being present, being aware, and accepting whatever arises without judgment. Remember, mindfulness meditation is not about achieving a certain state, but rather about being present and aware. Now let's dive into the process of mindfulness meditation. The first step in your journey to mindfulness meditation is to find a serene, quiet place. This space should be free from distractions, somewhere you can feel at ease. It could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a quiet park. The key is to have a place where you can sit comfortably for a few minutes each day, uninterrupted. Once you've found your haven, settle into a comfortable position. You may choose to sit cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair, or even lay down, as long as your body is relaxed and your spine is straight. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, or keep them half closed, gazing gently at a spot in front of you. Now, it's time to bring your attention to your breath. Notice how the air flows in through your nose, fills your lungs, and then flows out again. You don't need to change your breathing in any way, just observe it. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body, the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. As you focus on your breath, you may notice that thoughts, feelings, and sensations begin to arise. This is completely natural. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently bring your focus back to your breath. There is no need to judge or analyze these thoughts, simply acknowledge them and let them pass, like clouds in the sky. You may also choose to use a mental note or mantra to help maintain your focus. This could be a word or phrase that you repeat silently to yourself, such as in and out with each breath. The mantra serves as an anchor, helping to keep your attention rooted in the present moment. Remember, mindfulness meditation is not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. Rather, it's about cultivating an awareness and acceptance of the present moment. It's about noticing when your mind has wandered and gently steering it back to the here and now, without judgment or criticism. Try to practice this for a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the length of your sessions as you feel comfortable. You may find it helpful to set a gentle alarm or timer to signal the end of your meditation session, so you won't be constantly checking the time. Finally, be patient with yourself. Mindfulness meditation is a journey, not a destination. Some days it may feel easy, other days it may be more challenging. But with each session, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle, honing your ability to stay present and centered amidst the ebbs and flows of life. With regular practice, mindfulness meditation can become a natural part of your daily routine. Like any new skill, mindfulness meditation can present some challenges. It's not uncommon for beginners to encounter hurdles on their mindfulness journey. One of the most common is difficulty focusing. Our minds are used to juggling thoughts like a circus performer spinning plates. Suddenly asking it to focus on just one thing, such as your breath or a mantra, can feel like an impossible task. But don't worry, this is normal. It's not about silencing your thoughts, but rather acknowledging them and letting them pass without judgment. Each time you catch your mind wandering and bring it back to your focal point, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Another challenge often faced is restlessness. Sitting still with your thoughts can seem daunting, even uncomfortable. You might feel an itch to move, to do something, anything. This is your mind resisting the unfamiliar. The key here is patience. Start with shorter meditation sessions, even just 2 minutes, and gradually increase as your comfort grows. Remember, it's not a race, and every moment you spend in mindfulness, no matter how brief, is a step towards a calmer, more centered you. You may also grapple with the feeling of not doing it right. This is where understanding the true purpose of mindfulness meditation comes in. It's not about reaching some mystical state of enlightenment, but about being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. So if you're breathing and observing without judgment, you're doing it right. And finally, don't forget to be kind to yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a perfect. There will be days when it feels harder than others, and that's okay. Each session is an opportunity to learn and grow, not a test to pass or fail. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, but to be present. And with each breath, with each moment of mindfulness, you're nurturing a more tranquil, balanced, and resilient self. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved into the importance of mindfulness, a state of active, open attention on the present. It's a skill that can help us manage stress, enhance our mental health, and lead to greater peace and enjoyment in life. We then explored mindfulness meditation, a practice rooted in ancient wisdom yet relevant for our modern lives. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves. We also shared a step-by-step guide to help you embark on this journey of mindfulness meditation. Remember, it's a practice. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. And finally, we discussed some common challenges you may face and provided tips to help you succeed. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, the content of this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment.